Meaning of exultation.
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 Exultation. Exultation refers to a feeling of great joy and triumph. It is often the result of achieving something significant, overcoming a challenge or obstacle, or experiencing a happy and exciting event. The feeling of exultation can be intense and elicit physical as well as emotional responses, such as cheering, jumping, and tears of joy. It can also lead to increased confidence and a positive outlook on life. Overall, the experience of exultation brings a sense of fulfillment and happiness that is difficult to match with any other emotion.